At Vocademy, we teach 3D printing because it's a natural fit. We teach advanced manufacturing, and there is no advanced manufacturing without learning 3D printing. Here it's a part of our curriculum, whether you're going to be a machinist or an engineer or a seamstress or a tailor or an inventor, 3D printing is a necessary part of that education.
As you go through the classes, you get more in depth. So it goes from basic, here's how you use all the presets, and here's how you hit go, to, okay, here's how to troubleshoot a print, how to go through the settings and fine-tune things for specific materials, how to set up custom material settings, and just how to be more successful with the printing. We are running 6 Raise3D Pro2s. Those are our primary workhorse machines. Those are what all of our classes are taught on, and it's what people are running day in and day out, and these things have had basically no issues since we've got them. They are very solidly constructed. They have a lot of neat features that just streamline the process. It's a lot more reliable, it's a lot more robust, there's not a lot of machine shake. Even then, they're so stoutly built that even if you're like cranking the speeds way up, it's not affecting print quality overall.
We've been through 4 different brands and models of 3D printers, and let me tell you, the Raise machines that we've had for several months now are by far the most trouble-free, I can easily say the best machines we've ever had, and we think they're an industry-level machine, even though we're using them in an educational environment. We don't know what the person coming here to learn 3D printing is going to do with the 3D printers, but we make them discover that world. We teach you how to cook. What you cook is up to you. But we make it very clear that these are not toys. They can be used to make toys, but they're an engineering tool. And if you want to make a career in the future, I think all of us need to learn 3D printing. The amazing ability to create something in your own home, at work, that didn't exist hours before is extraordinary.